Dandelions are our friends, and why is that? Well, they are the first flowers that come out in the spring, which allows the pollinators, bees, to find nectar in order to keep and reestablish some of their hive activity. They also are edible. Most people will agree that most of the plant is edible. Some people have concerns about the stalk from the flower to the plant itself. Leaves are edible, roots are edible, flowers are edible. You can make dandelion wine to jelly and everything in between. If you're concerned and you're one of those people that want to spray pesticides on your lawn to kill these, the bees will pick that up and take it back to their hive and toxify their hive. In addition to that, you might want to talk to everybody within a 5-mile radius of your yard, because that's how far dandelion seeds can blow and come from.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.